there was just a pigeon in my house. Applying some, you don't have to tell me I'm clever, I know. What are you doing? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a bit crazy right now because I have just my eyebrows on and nothing else. And that looks a bit crazy, especially with my hair being pink and then my brows being dark, but let's just ignore that right now. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy glam look. Like, you just want to get ready quickly, go easy. Let's just see what happens and let's get into the video. So as you can see, my brows are already on because I've already done a full brow tutorial, so if you want to know how I do them, just check out my previous video and I'll tell you exactly how I do them. But today we're going to be focusing on skin and how to make that look nice and glowy, glam. So to start off with, I like to use a toner on my skin just to even out the complexion. It's an exfoliating toner as well, so it's absolutely lovely. And today I'm going to be using the Pixi Glow Tonic. Look how ginormous this is. This is 500 mils. It's nearly as big as my massive head. And this was gifted to me kindly by Pixi, so thank you so much, Pixi. I get so excited when I get a package. I'm like, what the hell? Like, is this my life? So thank you so much for sending that to me. So I just take a cotton pad, and because it's got such a cool little pump, like, it just, just spread that across the room. It just has a pump, so it can just go onto a little cotton pad, and I just like to rub that all over my face. So now that it's all in, oh, it smells amazing and it feels so nice. My skin is angry at the moment, like, ew. So then I go in with a moisturiser, and today I'm going to be using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Lotion. I'll just go ahead and rub that into my skin all over. Make sure that if you're rubbing moisturiser or anything into your face that you've got clean hands, because you don't want to be rubbing dirt into your skin, because then your skin is just going to be angry and you're going to get loads of spots. Oh, the sun is shining outside, and doesn't that just put everyone in like such a better mood? Like, when the sun's shining, I'm like, yes! When it's raining, I'm like... Today I'm going to be using, for that amazing glow, this stuff is amazing if you like glowy skin. I'm going to be using the MAC Silver Light Strobe Cream, and this stuff is amazing for glowy skin. Like, you'll see, look at my skin now, it's just a bit 2D, you know? Like, look at the glow. Oh. I'm going to be using a foundation that is actually not full coverage. It is a medium coverage foundation, but it is definitely buildable and it's a very affordable foundation. I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match. I use the colour Vanilla. I'm like, do I? Let's just go ahead and just... You notice that today I'm actually doing my base and everything before my eyes, which is not like me, but that's because I'm just going to do a dramatic wing liner, and if I'm not doing an eyeshadow look, I like to do my eyes after, just because I feel like sometimes it's quicker to do the base first, but I don't really know. I'm just going to put a few pumps of that to blend in. Oh, I don't like covering the strobe cream because it's so beautiful. It's the Real Technique sponge. And I learnt in my last video, when it comes it's actually like yellowy green, but because it's covered in foundation, you'd never know that until you washed it. Okay, so now that's all nicely blended in. Look, you can still see that strobe cream peeking through, like, it is unreal. Definition of, oh no, just drop my beauty blender on the floor. Now we're gonna be contouring. To contour, I like to use the MAC Studio Fix Foundation Stick in NC50 because I like to look snatched. To blend out my contour today, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques 204 buffing brush. So that's all nicely buffed in. Today I'm going to be using the Collection Concealer. Now this is a really good affordable concealer. Queen of the deals today. Queen of the affordability. This Collection Concealer is £5. It used to be £4 I think, but now it's £5. They've put the price up because they knew they were doing well with it. And I use the shade Extra Fair. It's just a really good concealer. Look at the difference. I mean, this concealer just waiting on this side to be blended in, so there's not really any difference, but true life. She here. She in the building. Now I'm going to set the underneath of my eyes using the Jeffree Star translucent powder. Now that's all set with powder, I'm going to spritz my face with some setting spray and then push that in with the same beauty blender that I just used, the translucent powder. So my favourite glowy blush is the MAC Cosmetics Just a Pinch Extra Dimension Blush. They have like a bit of a shimmer to them and I absolutely love them, they are beautiful. I'm getting my glow on ready for summer if we're allowed to have summer by then. Cause she glowy! It looks crazy like with my base and no eye makeup I look really weird, like a raisin. So another hack for glowy skin is get a brush, a fluffy-ish brush, and go into your highlight with it. Tap it off because you don't want a lot. I'm using the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish and I'm just going to go over my whole cheeks with this brush that has got a highlight on. Look at the glowiness. I was going to go in with a bit of highlight, but as I've just put it on my cheeks, I don't really think I need that much. So I'm just going to use that same highlight just a little bit on my finger, just to go on my nose a little bit, just to add a bit more highlight there. And on my Cupid's bow. I like my massive schnoz to be able to be seen from space with the highlight. Can you see me up there? Now that that is all done, the base is done, we are going to now move on to the eyes. And we're not going to be doing much with the eyes today. I know, shocker, this is not very me, I know, but don't worry, I'm okay. I'm just, I'm doing this for you guys. Yes! So, to set the eyelid, we're going to be using the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. The shimmers in this palette are absolutely incredible. Juvia's Place make the most incredible shimmers I've ever seen. But we're not using the shimmers today. We're going to be going in with this matte shade here, which is kind of like skin colour like, just to literally set my eyelid. I'll actually go under the eye slightly with this and kind of go over like my eye bags. Girl, what eye bags? Genius invention to set your concealer underneath your eyes with the same colour as your skin eyeshadow. Look at that, wow! You don't have to tell me I'm clever, I know. So for my wing liner today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Liquid Liner in black to create this wing. I start in different places every time. I kind of have no strategy to how I do my eyeliner. If I just start at one side and kind of drag it across. I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing and hopefully it's even and make it match on the other eye. Now that both eyeliner sides now that both flicks are done, I don't know how even they are. Eyeliner is like eyebrows, they are sisters and not twins. And if you can do it, whatever, because I can. But just before I go ahead and do mascara and lashes, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with the Benefit Cookie highlight, because I like to do this before, just in case any highlight falls down onto the lashes. You know me, and I love an absolutely dramatic lash, and my favourite dramatic lash are the P. Louise Dare Luxury Lashes. I'm sorry I'm using them again, but I just have not found anything that just compares to that lash really. So I'm just applying some, I just mascaraed myself in the eyeball. I don't recommend doing that. The lashes are successfully applied. Now I'm going to line the waterline on the upper lash line here. Yay! Now I'm going to be going with a lip liner. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Regal liner. It's the NYX Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels. The NYX Liquid Suedes are my favourite liquid lipsticks in the whole entire world ever. And that's the tea. The lip gloss that I'm going to top this look off with is the Makeup Revolution Precious Stones Lip Topper in Ice Diamond. This looks so beautiful. It's got like little glittery reflexes. I've not used it before. Oh, I love that. Look at that. guys, so this is the look done. I hope you like it. It's a bit different for me, no crazy eyeshadow or anything, but I'm going out of my comfort zone lately, as you've seen in my last videos. Like, yeah. So if you like my videos and you want to see more from me, hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps. It pushes my video up so more people can see it. Subscribe so that you are here whenever I post a new video, and hit that notification bell and it will come up with a notification on your phone to tell you when I've posted a new video, just in case you miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is BethCrawshaw_, and have a look at my TikTok, which is just Beth Crawshaw. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.